Is Nike killing this sneaker's resell? Man, it's crazy. This sneaker releases so often nowadays compared to a few years ago. It's crazy. Nike has upped production on this sneaker. The model, of course, we're getting a bunch of colorways, but just the model in general, Nike has upped so much, especially in the past year and a half. It's crazy. And in this video, I want to talk about resell. Is Nike killing resell on this sneaker? Because almost, it seems to me that every time this sneaker releases, we get a new colorway. For the most part, resell seems to drop. Like, it's crazy. What's going on? Nike mass producing the crap out of this sneaker. I did pick up two pairs of this sneaker. We have two different colorways of this sneaker to show you guys. Let me unbox them and then we'll talk more about resell. So first up, we have, of course, an orange Nike box, a women's exclusive. Look, we're even getting women's exclusives non-stop, men's releases non-stop, grade school, preschool sizes, tons of pairs, full family sizes of this sneaker in general, in a bunch of different colorways. And Nike, I feel like they're just killing the resale market with so many colorways of this shoe. And I want to talk about that in this video. Right here we have the women's exclusive orange pearl Nike Dunk Low. I do want to say that I think this is a beautiful colorway. Personally, I think this color is so wearable for men, women. It's very dope. It is like a light salmon color. I wouldn't say necessarily a full-blown pink, but definitely like a salmon color. They're calling it orange pearl, which I guess an orange colorway, but not really. I like these a lot. I did pick these up for retail. I think these are very dope. The one complaint I have about Nike Dunks has to be the quality of materials. It's trash. It's not good. It never really is. They only retail for $100 or $110 with the next sneaker I'm about to show you. But the leather used on most Nike Dunks is not really good. It's soft, yeah, but it's not great quality. It's nothing crazy. A lot of Nike Dunks, also, I am noticing a lot of pairs do have flaws, are coming with a bunch of flaws. I do notice pairs with paint flaws. This pair looks good, but I've noticed pairs with a bunch of paint flaws. I've noticed pairs with stitching flaws, glue marks, crazy glue marks. A lot of people are having complaints of Nike Dunk quality control more especially, but I think that the sneaker is clean overall, the Nike Dunk Low and the Nike Dunk High. Like I said, I think Nike's just killing it with so many damn colorways all the time. I feel like we're getting them almost every week at this point. Multiple pairs sometimes too, right? Sometimes we had Dunks, 3 pairs in one day. That's crazy. Nike is really upping the production of Nike Dunks, and resell is, in my opinion, it's showing it a little bit. You know, some Dunks, a lot of Dunks are, of course, are still reselling. This is still over $250 shoe right here, right? Like a $200 to $250 shoe right here, when retail's only $100. Back, I would say a year ago, this shoe, if these released, these are probably worth a little bit more than what they're worth right now. I definitely think so. I think they'd be worth probably $350, $400 a year ago, not to what they're worth right now because of Nike upping production on Nike Dunks. The demand has gone up for Dunks, right? We all know that. The demand has definitely gone up. The supply has gone up. The demand has gone up. Colorways have gone up. Resell has dropped. That's pretty much the truth. Resell has dropped. And I do want to stay at the end of the video, later on, I want to compare Nike Dunks to other sneakers. Make sure you guys stay tuned. We'll make a little comparison. Now, let's go ahead and unbox the next Nike Dunk. Another women's exclusive right here as well. And this time we have a Nike Dunk High. Woo. And these are the women's exclusive again. The Nike Dunk High in the football gray colorway. Another pair I did pick up for retail. This is a very dope sneaker as well. I really do like this football gray color, even though it kind of reminds me of like I would say like a light purple, almost blue color. I think it's very dope. Nike Dunk Highs, this pair retails at $110, a very nice retail price point. These are selling, I believe, for like $180, $200, nothing too crazy, a little bit of resale, nothing crazy. Once again, I see a lot of people complaining about Dunks with the quality control even on the highs as well when it comes to stitching, glue marks, and all of that. If you've ever had a bad pair of Dunks, leave a comment down below. Let me know your experience with that. Very nice shoe, and I really do like that outsole. It does pop a lot. I do want to tell you guys, man, I think that resell on Dunks is going to continue to drop. If Nike continues to produce as many pairs as they are, I definitely see resell continuing to drop on pairs time and time after release. Of course, we will have those very limited drops, those very exclusive drops, those collab drops. Those will, of course, remain hyped. Of course, resell will be there. But as far as like the general releases like this, you know, like the Orange Pearl I just showed you, I feel like Nike can really, and they'll mass produce them even more, and resell will just drop. Now, resell. Let's talk about paying resell price on Nike Dunks. Say you want to pay resell for this sneaker, or you even want to pay resell for this sneaker, which is worth a little bit more than this sneaker, right? Let's compare paying resell on a Nike Dunk compared to paying retail price on a pair of Jordans. Yeah, that's pretty much almost what it is. The resell on this sneaker is about retail price alone on this sneaker. Isn't that crazy? The resell price is the retail price. Crazy. So even if you're gonna pay the resale price on a lot of these Dunks, in my opinion, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. If you truly want the colorway, don't worry about the quality. Don't worry about it being comfortable, because they're not the most comfortable shoe on earth at all. They're gonna be mostly uncomfortable for the most part, to be honest. But if you want a very dope Nike Dunk and you want to pay resale price, I think it's worth it. Just miss out on your newest Jordan Retro, and there's your resale price. The fact that you can get this sneaker on the resale market for the retail price of this sneaker, to me, is pretty crazy. I think that's crazy, and like I said, if it's worth it to you, go ahead and pay that resale price for a pair of Nike Dunks. I do think the Nike Dunk Low and the High is a must-cop sneaker in everybody's collection. You have to have at least one or two pairs of each. I think they're dope, they're clean, they're very, very nice. The color blocking is fire. I think that's what draws people to the Nike Dunk, mainly is the color blocking, and the colorways are very clean, along with that outsole being very reminiscent, of course, of the Jordan 1, and just a very, very dope model, a dope shoe. Like I said, they're not the most comfortable, but the colorways are there, and retail price is very affordable at $100, $110 if you can get it for that price. Paying resale, like I said, it's not too bad, just the same basically as retail on your newest Jordan, your newest Yeezy, anything like that. Let me know what you guys think about Nike Dunks down below in the comments, and leave a comment. Let me know if you agree with me. Is Nike killing the resale on Nike Dunks? I personally think so. If they continue this out, it will continue to drop the resale price. They could bring it back up, the resale price. All they need to do is keep it more limited, but I think this is great. All of this is great if you're a consumer and love Nike Dunks. If you love Nike Dunks and you want pairs for retail, you want to wear them, enjoy them, or you don't mind paying that resale price, this is all good news, because resale, like I said, has been dropping on Nike Dunks. And I think it's going to continue if Nike continues this up, which I think is a good thing. If you want the shoe for, you know, personal, if you're looking to make money, maybe not so much, but there's still some resale on pairs. I don't think Nike will completely kill resale, because we don't have them sitting in stores like that. They are selling out. So they are selling out. They're keeping it limited still. So we'll still have some resale, like I said, but it's been dropping compared to how it was, I would say, over the last year and a half. Let me know what you guys think about that down below in the comments. Leave a comment. I love to hear from you guys. Make sure you guys also join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. I'm going to do a new sneaker giveaway here on the channel. Besides the UNC 4s, I am giving away a pair. Make sure you guys go check out that video. But I want to do a giveaway besides that, before that as well. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and give me a follow over on Instagram, because I actually wore the Raging Bull 5s yesterday. So make sure you guys go check out that post over on Instagram. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. Let's engage. Let me know what you guys think about the Nike Dunks. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.